It's a book that's been adapted to a movie, and now characters from a Roald Dahl classic are coming to life. Matilda the Musical will premiere in Melbourne tomorrow night and feature not one but 4 leading ladies. Madeline Slattery was given a preview.
Set in a chaotic classroom, Matilda the Musical tells the tale of a schoolgirl all too eager to learn.
It's all about rebellion, really, and about toppling adults, which is what Dahl's world is always about.
Australian comedian Tim Minchin helped write the play, all based on the Roald Dahl novel, which was published years before any of these young Matildas were even born. But that doesn't mean they haven't done their homework, studying the book and, of course, the film.
It's one of my favourite movies. I like the Classroom 3, the last one. Yeah. Where Miss Trunchbull gets to go. We kick her out of the school.
These hard-to-forget scenes will all play out on stage.
The boy who eats all the cake, does that happen in here?
Yes. Yes, it does. Yeah.
Bringing memories to life for even the adults among the cast.
I love Matilda. I've got my original copy in my dressing room.
It's been almost 30 years since the book this is all based on was first published, and it's clear Roald Dahl's magic is still alive and well. This musical adaptation has already received more than 50 international awards.
There's a whole lot of delicious details that are particular to this stage production only.
Madeline Slattery, 9 News.